I think one of the first things that attracted me to this profession was the ability to help people. I remember one of my first weeks interning when I was in law school. I was interning for a Commonwealth attorney, and she reminded me that you always have to be aware that even though you're comfortable in this setting, for a lot of people, it's one of the worst times in their lives. So that was something that really stuck out to me and really drew me to this profession, because not only do I get to advocate for my clients and go and litigate and do awesome work, but I also get the chance to be a safe place for a lot of people. I love being in the courtroom. It's an experience that not a lot of people have because most people try to stay out of court. Every day is changing and it's different, and that's something that keeps it really fun and interesting. I feel like with domestic cases, I get to know the clients more, and it's a more personal relationship. Everybody has a story to tell, and again, going back to being able to be a safe place for your client. You know, when people are reaching out to us, it's because they've unfortunately been involved in an accident or they're going through some sort of family issue that they need our advice and expertise on. I think it's really important to have a personal connection with those people so they understand that you're there and you're going to represent their best interests and help them in any way you can. There's a lot that goes on behind the scenes that we don't make clients privy to, not because we're trying to hide anything from them, but just because it's tedious work that's required by statute, or filing papers and things like that that they don't really need to be involved in or worry themselves with. So we have to go through all of these steps before we can get the outcome that they want. We are working and doing things behind the scenes that very few know about to get the case started and hopefully finished and resolved in the end. People tend to kind of panic when they realize they have to go to court for a court date, or they have to get this information ready for discovery or whatever it is. And if I could make clients know one thing, it would be not to panic. That's why we're here. You know, we do this every day. We went to school for this. We studied for the bar for this. And we're here to deal with all of that awful stuff that nobody else wants to deal with. And I understand that court is nerve-wracking and terrible, and I get that. But I would want them to know, you know, it's going to be okay in the end. Once we come out on the other side, you're going to feel so much better and it will all be worth it.